In this lab, we're going to measure variation within periwinkles, Littorina. Those are sea snails, live in the rocky intertidal, in the upper area of the rocky intertidal. So they're exposed to air part of the day, and they're submerged underwater part of the day. And they have to deal with the rough wave action. So I'm going to look at color, I'm going to look at length, width, and height. So let's get the length. Use my caliper to measure from the bottom to the top in millimeters, and I have 15 millimeters here. The width, periwinkle, this is the opening where the operculum or the door that shuts tight, so when the water goes out, the tide goes out, it shuts it so it doesn't lose its moisture. I'm going to put the operculum away from me, makes it easier to see the width. Move my caliper and I'm measuring 11 millimeters. Say 11.2, 11.25 millimeters. And how many whorls do I have? So one whorl is going to equal 1 year within the life of the periwinkle, the Littorina. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. That one. Let's go to the next one. And the length is 15 millimeters. The width is 10.8. Number of whorls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whorls. And that's one. This one's a smaller one. Let's get it. And I've got 11 millimeters in length. My width is 6 millimeters, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 whorls. And we'll continue that until I have 10 Littorina. Now I want to measure the color of the shells. To make it a little bit easier in terms of judging, I'm going to use the skin color chart. So going back to my first Littorina, place it on here until I get a match. Close as I can. Okay. I want to call that medium to dark brown. Look at the next one. This one has some parts of it that was light beige in parts of it. And parts of it dark brown. So I've got a little bit of banding pattern on this one. And the next one, and that looks like a light beige, light brown, olive. And the bottom, but the top is a light brown. So olive on the bottom, light brown on the top. And again, I'm going to continue this until I have determined the color of 10 Littorina or more.